Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to make Google Chrome more secure in Chrome web browser. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To make Google Chrome more secure, go to your Google Chrome browser and click on three dot icon on upper right corner and then click on settings. In left side, click on privacy and security. Now scroll down. Here you will find an option security. Click on security. Now scroll down. Here you will find three types of protection. One, no protection, is not recommended. Another one is standard protection and another one is enhanced protection. And enhanced protection is the highest level of security. Click on enhanced protection and now scroll down. Here you will find in advanced option use secure DNS. Now it's turned off. Just click here to turn it on and select DNS provider. Here Waze default is selected. Click on the drop down menu and select Google public DNS. And if you want, you can enable secure connection. Always use secure connections. Click here to turn it on and warn you in insecure public sites. This is the easiest way to make Google Chrome more secure in Google Chrome web browser. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.